Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southeast on Candlenut Avenue towards Almond Close in Portmore Pines, Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. Portmore Pines is a neighborhood in Portmore, and it is situated nearby the neighborhoods Silverstone and Newland. Notably, Portmore is a large urban settlement located along the south coast of Jamaica. Portmore is nicknamed the Sunshine City. Turning off Candlenut Avenue onto Almond Close. Almond Close ends and we are turning back towards Candlenut Avenue. We are back at Candlenut Avenue. Turning onto Candlenut Avenue. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.